Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Smart Wallet app. Dark mode is a popular feature that makes apps easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. In order to enable dark mode on Smart Wallet, launch open your Smart Wallet application and then from the home screen, go to the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, look for dark mode and toggle on the button right next to it. Once you have the dark mode turned on, the app interface will instantly switch to a darker theme. No restart is usually required. And that's it. You can always come back to the same menu and switch to a light mode whenever you prefer. This setting does not only give the app a sleek look but also makes it more comfortable to use at night or in dim environments. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.